How long should I let the adhesive remover sit on the fabric before scrubbing it off?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're diving into a common household problem: how to remove adhesive from fabric. If you've ever struggled with sticky residue on your clothes, you're in the right place. We'll go over the ideal time you should let an adhesive remover sit on your fabric before scrubbing it off. So, let's get started.
What is adhesive remover?
Adhesive remover is a solvent or solution specifically designed to break down and remove sticky residues, like those left by labels, tapes, or other adhesives. They come in various formulations, and it's always essential to choose one that's safe for fabrics if that's where you're using it.
How to prep the fabric?
Before applying the adhesive remover, 1. Spot test on an inconspicuous area to ensure it doesn't discolor or damage the fabric. 2. Lay the fabric flat on a clean, hard surface like a table. 3. If the adhesive is in a lump or is thick, gently scrape off as much as you can with the blunt edge of a knife or a credit card.
How long should I let it sit?
This is the golden question. Once you've applied the adhesive remover, 1. Allow it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes for most light adhesives. 2. For tougher residues, you might need to let it sit for up to 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Do not let the remover sit for too long, as it could damage the fabric or affect its color.
The scrubbing process.
After the adhesive remover has sat for the recommended time, 1. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently scrub the affected area in a circular motion. 2. Do not scrub too hard, as this could damage the fabric fibers. 3. Once the adhesive is loosened, wash the fabric as per its care instructions to remove any remnants of the adhesive remover. There you have it. Now you know how long to let adhesive remover sit on fabric before giving it a scrub. Remember always to spot test and follow the specific instructions on your adhesive remover product. We hope this guide helps you keep your fabrics pristine and free from sticky situations. Until next time, happy cleaning!